Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on crypto.com. So first we are going to be heading over to crypto.com onto my browser Safari. So I'm going to be searching in here for crypto.com, just like that. Now you can see we are on crypto.com. So what I suggest is simply you are going to be heading over to their conversion section. So basically this is their platform. You can use your Apple ID to sign into the account, or you can simply install their application, and then you can access their menu on the top right, and from here you have your basically crypto and everything that you can use to convert your different type of cryptos and everything. So converting your BTC to USDT is pretty easy stuff that is pretty much self-explanatory. Make sure that you have an account onto the platform, and if you still have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. So that's how you can convert your BTC to USDT on crypto.com.